Welcome to another exciting episode of exploring the fascinating world of heavy machinery. Today we'll be taking a journey through a diverse lineup of machines, each playing a crucial role in various industries. From the behemoths of stone quarrying to the champions of agricultural efficiency, we'll unveil their unique capabilities and the innovative technologies that power them. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed by the sheer power, precision, and engineering marvel that these machines represent. In the world of stone quarrying, the Hulong Disc Saw machine is a real workhorse. This machine uses two large diamond-tipped saw blades, each up to 10 feet in diameter, to cut through massive blocks of stone in quarries. Here's how it works. The blades are powered by permanent magnet motors, which are known for being energy efficient and producing less heat. The speed of the blades can be adjusted depending on the hardness of the stone being cut, allowing for optimal performance. Joining the ranks of our heavy equipment lineup today is the Beol MFTT 240 fire combi machine. This isn't your average fire truck. This six-wheel drive beast is built on a powerful 240 horsepower engine and tackles wildfires head-on. One of its key features is the remote control operation. This allows firefighters to operate the machine from up to 2.5 miles away, keeping them safe from flames and hazardous smoke. The MFTT 240 also packs a punch with a water cannon capable of launching a jet over 195 feet, making it ideal for extinguishing large fires. But it doesn't stop there. This versatile machine comes equipped with a 2,800-gallon water tank, plus additional space for firefighting gear. Interestingly, the MFTT 240 even boasts a built-in mulcher, allowing it to clear brush and vegetation, creating fire breaks and access paths for firefighters on the ground. Shifting focus to the groundbreaking Chemrock EK chain cutters, we uncover a tool that redefines precision and efficiency in excavation and mining. Designed to attach to excavators ranging from 2 to 50 tons, these chain cutters are pioneers in cutting through stone with a compressive strength of up to 14,503 psi, making them ideal for creating deep, narrow trenches with the perfect profile, starting from a width of 18.9 inches. What sets the EK chain cutters apart is their innovative design, which allows for excavation without unnecessary widening of trenches. This not only saves on transport cost by reducing the amount of material that needs to be moved, but also makes the material removed ideal for reuse as fill, thanks to its fine-grained nature. This approach is not just about efficiency, it's also about sustainability. Now let's shift gears to the Stair UBF90, a machine vital for maintaining our road infrastructure. This powerful unit is a universal banquet phrase, essentially a roadside milling machine, designed to tackle a variety of tasks. Imagine two massive diamond-tipped saw blades, each up to 10 feet in diameter. These blades, powered by efficient electric motors, precisely shave and remove asphalt, concrete, or even rock from roadsides. Here's what makes the UBF90 impressive: its ability to handle various depths and widths, making it suitable for everything from creating drainage channels to removing damaged pavement. Additionally, the machine boasts a comfortable and ergonomic operator cabin, ensuring efficient and fatigue-free operation. The Rimple salt harvester marks a significant advancement in the field of salt mining, streamlining the process like never before. This specialized machine is engineered to efficiently harvest salt from salt flats and ponds, utilizing a high-capacity collection mechanism that scoops up the salt crust from the ground. This industrial workhorse lives up to its name, capable of harvesting a whopping 1,000 tons of salt per hour, depending on the specific site design. Imagine this: a machine with dual conveyors on each side, allowing salt haulers to load from any position for ultimate flexibility. The Rimple harvester boasts a powerful yet energy-efficient design thanks to permanent magnet motors powering its large blades. The Stair Tractor Grader SUG35T stands out in the grading and leveling arena with its innovative design tailored for tractors and wheel loaders. This versatile attachment, weighing 2.2 tons and adjustable between 8.2 and 11.5 feet in width, can push and pull with remarkable efficiency. Its unique feature is the ability to adjust not only in the standard manner, but also into an open V formation, ensuring constant material flow in front of the blade for optimal grading. Equipped with a hydraulically lowerable ripper, it can delve up to 4 inches deep, allowing for effective soil mixing and preparation. This capability is crucial for agricultural and forestry road construction, where precise gutter or roof profiles are essential. By enabling faster, more precise profiling and reducing the need for multiple passes, the SUG35T significantly cuts operational costs and time, redefining efficiency in construction equipment. Next up, let's dive into the Hymech Excavator Brush Cutter, a powerhouse for tackling extreme vegetation control. This slasher isn't just any attachment. It's equipped with direct drive hydraulic motors and double-edged blades, making it perfect for heavy-duty slashing tasks. With a robust serrated 4-blade carrier, it effortlessly cuts through dense brush and tree regrowth, ensuring your clearing job is done efficiently and effectively. The Haddock TR5820, also known as the track dumper, is a true workhorse on any construction site. This powerful machine, often seen working alongside excavators like the CAT 323, excels in various tasks, especially when dealing with soft ground conditions. Imagine a 30-ton capacity dumper with large, low-pressure base plates. This unique design allows the TR5820 to navigate challenging terrain without sinking in, making it perfect for tasks like topsoil removal and incorporation. Here's a cool feature. The TR5820 can not only transport large loads, but it can also directly lay soil, eliminating the need for additional equipment. This translates to increased efficiency and reduced costs on your project. Ever encountered a field littered with rocks, slowing down your work? Look no further than the innovative Hymech Skid Steer Rock Picker. This attachment is a game changer for efficient rock removal. Imagine this: a powerful hydraulic motor driving a rotating collector equipped with sturdy tines. As you operate the skid steer, this ingenious attachment effortlessly digs and picks up rocks up to 20 inches in diameter. But that's not all. The Hymech Rock Picker boasts clever design features. The generous spacing between the tines allows dirt to sift through, ensuring you only collect rocks, not precious soil. This translates to cleaner and more efficient rock removal. Meet the Desini PD500, a transportable diamond wire saw machine, revolutionizing the way we cut through stone and quarries. Specifically designed for ease of transport and exceptional cutting performance, the PD500 makes its mark in the Garfagnana quarry in Italy, showcasing its capabilities on a global stage. This machine operates by using a diamond-encrusted wire, a technology that allows for precise and efficient cutting of even the hardest stone materials. The PD500 can slice through large blocks of stone, reducing them to manageable sizes for further processing and shaping. Its transportability means it can be easily moved to different locations within a quarry, maximizing productivity and reducing the time needed to set up stationary cutting equipment. From the rugged lands of Australia comes the Moose Industries Clay Delver, a machine specifically designed to conquer tough terrain and unearth valuable clay deposits. Known affectionately as Big Blue, it shines in the springtime of Kapini, South Australia, though it's built to excel in any season. With the ability to delve up to 4 feet deep, this machine is a powerhouse for enhancing soil quality. Its standout feature? A hydraulic tine angle adjustment, allowing for precise control over the delving process. This ensures optimal performance across various soil conditions, making it a versatile addition to any farming operation. Introducing the MechMax Mini Trencher TCR 1500, a compact powerhouse designed for precision trenching tasks. Perfect for small to medium projects, this trencher excels in creating trenches for utility lines, irrigation systems, and landscaping with minimal disturbance to the surrounding area. Operating with an impressive depth capability, it cuts through the ground effortlessly thanks to its robust cutting chain and efficient design. What sets the TCR 1500 apart is its maneuverability and ease of use, allowing operators to navigate tight spaces and complex landscapes. Remarkably efficient, it significantly reduces labor time and costs, making it an invaluable tool for contractors looking to boost productivity and precision on the job. The Grimmy Schmid Harvey 1 isn't your average harvester. This versatile machine tackles a variety of root crop harvesting tasks, making it a true champion in the field. Imagine a self-propelled harvester equipped with a sorting platform and 2 massive 5-foot-wide harvesting belts. The Harvey 1 efficiently lifts and separates root crops like potatoes, carrots, and beets from the soil. Here's what makes the Harvey 1 special: its adaptability. It can be used not only for large-scale harvesting operations, but also for smaller sorting jobs thanks to its detachable sorting platform. This makes it ideal for various farm sizes and types of crops. The construction site can be a ballet of specialized machines, and the HiMac Hero Skid Steer Mixer Bucket plays a vital role. This innovative attachment transforms your skid steer into a mobile concrete mixing powerhouse. Imagine a robust bucket equipped with a powerful hydraulic mixing system. Simply scoop up your dry ingredients, cement, sand, and gravel, and let the hero work its magic. The rotating blades efficiently combine the materials, ensuring a consistent and thorough mix. Here's the real kicker. The hero boasts an integrated unloading system. Once your concrete is mixed, a simple hydraulic operation allows you to discharge it precisely where you need it. No need for additional equipment or messy manual work. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of some of the most impressive heavy machinery on the planet. From handling rugged terrains to performing precision trenching, these impressive heavy machines are not just about brute strength. They showcase innovation, efficiency, and remarkable versatility. Whether revolutionizing agriculture or streamlining construction with the mixer bucket, each piece of equipment stands as a testament to human ingenuity in overcoming challenges. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the machines that shape our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.